Hey guys, so it's Vanessa here again, and I wanted to do a video today just reviewing Alikay Naturals products that I've used thus far for my hair. I wanted to do a special video for them because I highly, I'll not tell you, Alikay Naturals is my favorite hair brand right now. It is definitely my favorite hair brand. I'm actually an affiliate for them as well, so that's pretty cool and a great experience. And I just wanted to talk about products, how they work for me, and yeah, let's get into it. So the products that I have used thus far is the Alikay Naturals Shea yogurt. I've used the the Avocado Cream Moisture Repairing Mask. I've used the Aloe Berry Styling Gel. And what else have I used before? I've used the Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner. Also the, I finished it, but I had to use the black soap shampoo. I had used that as well. And I own this product, the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner, which I've used on my clients' hair, but I haven't used on my own yet, so I don't really, I know how good it works for my clients, so I can speak on that. And then also the Hair and Scalp Balm from Alikay Naturals. So, y'all probably like, Vanessa, why do you have so many of the same brand hair products? Because everybody knows natural people have various different lines of products that they use, but me, I'm a simple girl. I like to stick to the basics, stick to just the things that I need. I don't like to use a lot of different products in my hair. I just like to stick to what works. That's just how I am. But yeah, let's talk about it. So these are the first time that, it's the first time that I'm using these products. A lot of these products, a few of these, or I should say it's the first time I'm using it with my natural hair. No locks, just natural hair. Let's put it that way. So I was really excited to use them, and let's talk about it. Let's get into it. So first things first, we could talk about the leave-in conditioner, the Lemongrass leave-in conditioner. This right here is phenomenal. It's a very good product. I would say definitely to use it with something. I wouldn't use it by itself, but I used it on my hair when I was combing out my locks. This is what I used. I didn't use like a regular thick conditioner. I just used this, and I used it simply because it specifically said that it was good to strengthen your strands and prevent shedding. And shedding is what my main issue was, basically. Like, I have a bunch of shedded hair in my head, my locks. So that was why I kind of focused on this. And let me just backtrack real quick. Alikay Naturals is literally a natural brand. Like, there's natural ingredients in these products. Natural ingredients, guys. When I tell you the ingredients on this right now, the featured ones: silk amino protein, aloe vera, and lemongrass gel. Lemongrass oil. Sorry, guys. So that just goes to show, like, just those few things, like, those are the main products in here that are featured. But everything in here, I literally am aware of pretty much everything in this product, and that's what I really urge myself to focus on when I'm buying hair products, to make sure that I'm using things that I can tell what majority, if not all, of the ingredients are, or if I look it up, I can see that it's healthy for my hair, whatever the product that I don't know is. And I look up stuff. I look up a lot of different ingredients nowadays because I want to be sure that I'm not putting anything unhealthy in my hair, because hair growth right now is the goal in life. Like, right now, hair growth is the goal, because I love my hair right now. I love the length it is, but I can't wait to see where it's going to be when it gets even longer. So that's hair goals right now. But this is a really good product. I used it when I was combing out my locks, like I said, and I also used it after I washed my hair. I went ahead and sprayed this in. Very good. Once you seal it with an oil, it's definitely an awesome product. So highly recommend this one. Then the next product I can talk about is the Avocado Cream Moisture Repairing Mask. I really really appreciate this product. Y'all don't even understand. This product just brought my hair back to life. Like, when I tell you my hair was dry, it was hella dry, because I wasn't really, besides the lemongrass, like, it was dry. I wasn't really moisturizing, and that's another reason why I say to pair this with an oil or with some type of creamy consistence, either that or like an oil, because this does have moisture, but you need something to lock this moisture into your hair. So using an oil would definitely be ideal, or using a thicker product of some sort. But yeah, the avocado cream was definitely great on my hair. I used it after I washed my hair. I went in with this and I just put it on my head and deep condition, like a deep condition pretty much, and sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then from there washed it out, and all was just soft. It was just, guys, it was so lovely. It was great. And let me just tell you one thing, all these products smell so good. Like this, it's very green, it's avocado cream, and it smells so good. So everything smells great in your hair. That's the best part. And yeah, I love it. I love this. Highly recommend this. If you have a lot of really dry hair, you need some moisture, put it back into it. If you need to strengthen your hair, your strands, so on, this is a great product. Great product. And of course, the main product is avocado, and various different things that are in here. Avocado, something coconut wise, aloe vera is in here, rosemary oil, extra virgin olive oil, wheat germ oil is in here, a natural detangling agent, peppermint oils in here. Like, so many different things are in here. So this is a great product. Highly recommend this. I think it would definitely be good with moisture, with shedding, with growth. Highly recommend. Then another product that I use, and I don't have it directly on me, but I use the black soap shampoo, and let me see if it's in here. Okay, so it's called the Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but that is it. Hopefully you can see it. But that's the shampoo, and I liked it. I really did like it. I don't know if I would use it again, to be honest. It was perfectly fine. Like, it works for my hair. I do like the nozzle idea of it and everything, but I think I could do with my regular shampoo that I use, which is from Design Essentials, the Organic Cleanse Shampoo, and that's perfectly fine. I don't have an issue using that one as well. That's what I always use, and maybe because I'm just used to that, why I felt like the black soap was different. But I'll either use the Design Essentials in the future, or I might go back to that, or I'll use I can't remember the name of the soap that I use, but it's a peppermint natural soap. I forgot who it's from, but it's a natural peppermint thing that I would be using. One or the other. One of those three is what I'll use. All right, so that product was good. I definitely can say, like, if you're interested, if you like the black soap idea, and it's very thin as well, so it's like it's kind of like a juice in a way. Like, it's not like a thick shampoo, so just be aware of that. Now, otherwise, the next product that I can talk about is the Botanicals Hair and Scalp Balm from Alikay, and I definitely like this one as well. I've had this for a while, and I've just been using it. Like, you can see, it's in use. It's definitely, look at all that in the bottom. Good stuff, all that good stuff. But yeah, I like this product. Very good for just oiling your scalp and stimulating your hair for growth. Things that are in here: rosemary, shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, nettle, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, peppermint oil, babasu oil, peppermint leaf, botanical blend ingredients, and yeah, there's a few good things in here. There are a lot of good things in here. Everything in here is good, so I like that product. The next one that I want to talk about, which is my all-time favorite, and I think it's like a best rated as well, the Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. I love this product. When I tell y'all I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's been a while since I've used it, but this is worth the investment. This product is about $18, and it comes in about this much is in it, probably. It doesn't come full. That's just how it comes. And let me tell you, this product really works magic. Like, this is a great product. This one I definitely recommend. I used to use it with my locks. I used to use it on clients. I recommend it. Definitely go for this if you guys are interested. And what's in it? Let me tell y'all what's in it first before I put it down. Emu oil, rosemary, leaf extract, olive oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, tea tree, peppermint, horsetail powder, essential oil blend, botanical blend, and remember, it's 17 different things. So those are the blends, I guess, that's in there. But I really do like this product. Highly recommend it. Now, next one I used is the Shea yogurt. and I love this. This one was probably, this might be my favorite. Well, between these two are my favorites right now. The Shea yogurt and the avocado cream. And I won't even be using this every time, so this is gonna last me a while. But yeah, I love the Shea yogurt. One, a little seriously goes a long way, because this is the first use and I barely use much, and I use this for my twist out. And it's great. All you do, you just want to make sure you warm it up first before you put it in your hair, so you don't have a bunch of it in one spot. But yeah, I really like the Shea yogurt. And what's in it, we have shea butter, obviously, argan oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, wheat germ oil, rosemary leaf extract, and vitamin E are the main things in here. There's also coconut oil in here. And did I say argan? Yeah, and coconut oil. But I definitely love this. And the good thing, the good thing about this is it seals, the shea butter seals moisture into your hair. Argan oil revives dull, dry hair and reduces frizz. That's a necessity. And coconut oil increases hair shine and strength, because we need our hair to be real strong and nice. So I do really like this, and I use this for the LOC method. I'm not sure if you guys are aware of that. I'm sure you are. I'm just really getting into it. But you know, y'all naturalistas, y'all know everything. I don't know much. I'm new. I'm just getting into this. So, but for the LOC method, I use this one, the Shea yogurt. I use the Essential 17, and I use the Lemongrass. So this one goes on first, and this seals in the Lemongrass conditioner, and then this goes on for ultimate moisture to seal everything in and to do my twist with. So yeah, really like the Shea yogurt, and it smells so good. Oh, did I get some on my lip? No, it smells so good, guys. My cousin told me it smells like Kool-Aid, so I don't know, but it smells really good. And then this one, Aloe Berry Styling Gel. Now I do really like this product. Let me just tell you about this product. So me being the clown that I am, puts this opened on the hand rest, right? On my hand rest. And I get up to get my scissors to trim my hair, and guess who allows the chair to move and allows this to fall? I did. So the whole thing fell on the floor. Well, not even majority, but a lot of it fell on the floor, and now I have a pink mark to show. So I have to get a new, get my carpet cleaned. But this product, it's really, really pink. It's awesome. I do like it as a styling gel. One thing I really like about it is it doesn't leave your hair really, really stiff. And I'm very focused on that, not having my hair being left really stiff, as well as, you know, finding a natural hair gel, like a hair gel with natural products that's going to work. That's kind of hard too. So I'm happy to find this Aloe Berry Styling Gel, and what it has in there, the main ingredients, the featured ingredients, aloe vera, sweet almond oil, and avocado oil. Really like them. Well, really like all those products. The aloe vera moisturizing conditions, strengthens the hair as well. The sweet almond strengthens hair, smoothing and nourishing the cuticle, and avocado oil lubricates the hair and improves elasticity and reduces breakage. So I really like this one. This is another good one. And yeah, like I said, it doesn't leave your hair really stiff. It doesn't leave it flaky. You don't want to use too much though, because I have heard of some people having a little like a pink residue after using a lot in their hair. So be careful how much you're going to use in your hair, and I don't really want to use a lot of gel in my hair anyways, so I'm good with this styling gel. It gives me just enough hold that I need. And I think that's all the products that I use. I don't know if I talked about the honey and sage, but I do love this one too. I don't think I did. I love this product. Let me show you guys how it looks. It smells so good. So this is it, and it smells phenomenal. It seriously does, and I really, really like this one. So this one I've been using on clients. I haven't used on myself yet, but I've used on about 3 or 4 different people, and they all like how it made their hair feel. They really, really like how soft and moisturized and how the curls just popped out when we were done using this deep conditioner. So I would recommend this as well, and it smells so good. Everything smells so good. I just love that about her, this product. I say her because I know I've been watching the owner of the company on YouTube a lot, so I just go straight to her. But yeah, I really love these products, highly recommend them. I'm a huge fan of Alikay Naturals. You're clearly aware that I am. I'm a huge fan. I really love their products. I would never not recommend it. Like, I don't know what else to say, but definitely good products, and you can definitely check out their website, alikaynaturals.com. And if you're interested in saving some money, you can save 15% by using my code Vanessa15. You can save 15% off buying some of these products. But I would, if it was my go-to, like my number one product, my number one product is the essential oil, essential 17 hair growth oil. Number two, I'm gonna just do top three, Shea yogurt. And number three, the avocado cream. Now, this one is basically right next to avocado. Like, they're like right here with each other in terms of my rating scale. The lowest rating product that I would give is, let's see, probably, I don't even know. I don't know. I don't even think, I won't consider this the lowest rating, so I don't know. But I love all of them. I would highly recommend them. Please go ahead and check them out on their website. And if you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment down below. Make sure you like as well, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting on? You're waiting on that, and I'm here now, y'all. We're gonna be dropping videos every week, so you with it or you not with it? Or should I say you with it or you with it? But for real, like, just subscribe to my channel if you guys are interested in seeing more hair videos, 1 or 2 makeup videos here and there. What else is coming? Vlogs, travel vlogs as well. Various different things, so just look out for those. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.